Today I am going to explain the reading material day 4 story. Once there was a woman. One day she came in and asked her little daughter if she would give her mom one of the two apples that she was holding. Then the girl looked up at her mom for a few seconds and then took a quick bite on one of the two apples and then quickly took other. Seeing this, her mom felt her smile on her face freeze. She tried hard not to reveal her disappointment, but after a few seconds, her daughter gave one of the two apples that she had bitten to her mom and said, "Mommy, here you are. This is the sweeter one." From this story, we came to know that in spite of being more knowledgeable and more experienced person, we have to always take time to judge others because they need time and opportunity to explain themselves.
হুম।
So we have not to jump to conclusion. That's it.
বাহ, দারুণ হয়েছে, দারুণ জিসানা। চলো, কোনো কথা হবে না। খুব ভালো হয়েছে জিসানা। এইভাবে লেগে থাকলে তো খুব ভালো হবে, আমি খুব খুশি।